Welcome to Yousafzaichannel. In the rapidly evolving landscape of the digital world, online businesses continue to thrive, offering entrepreneurs diverse opportunities to tap into lucrative markets. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or launch a full-scale enterprise, here are the top 10 online businesses to consider in 2024. Explore the low-risk model of dropshipping, where you can operate an online store without handling inventory. Connect with suppliers, and when a customer places an order, the product is shipped directly from the supplier to the customer. Curate and sell subscription boxes filled with niche products catering to a specific audience. From beauty products to niche hobbies, subscription boxes create a steady revenue stream. Capitalize on the demand for digital goods such as ebooks, online courses, stock photos, and software. Create valuable content that meets the needs of your target audience and market it effectively. Setting up your own online store has never been easier, thanks to platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or launch a full-scale enterprise, here are the top 10 online businesses to consider in 2024. Unleash your creativity by designing custom merchandise. With print-on-demand services, your products are created and shipped when a customer makes a purchase, eliminating the need for inventory. Share your expertise in a particular field through online coaching or consulting services. Whether it's business strategy, fitness training, or personal development, online coaching platforms can connect you with clients globally. Assist businesses and individuals in managing their social media presence. Offers services such as content creation, scheduling, and engagement to help clients build and maintain a strong online presence. Start a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, or memberships. Quality and consistency are key in building a loyal audience. Dive into the world of affiliate marketing where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale. Leverage social media, blogs, and email marketing to drive traffic and boost your affiliate revenue. Offer your skills as a freelancer in writing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, or consulting. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr make it easy to connect with clients worldwide. Before diving into any online business, conduct thorough market research, understand your target audience, and devise a solid business plan. Stay abreast of industry trends and leverage the power of digital marketing to propel your online venture to success in 2024.